Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for this video and I am so happy and proud that I get to work with YesStyle. So they kind of like make my Korean beauty obsession come true. I know K-beauty can be a little bit overwhelming because you don't know where to start. I did a video on this before. I don't know why I was spitting. Sorry about that. YesStyle basically said you can order anything you like, anything you want. Say no more. But you know what? It actually took me more than an hour to find out what's good and what not and who to trust. I even heard that some K-beauty products are overhyped and that Korean people don't actually use it. And I was like, their skin looks amazing, so I really want what they have. Like, I want what they eat and have and use and whatever. I'm just going to go through it all. It's a lot, so I want to keep it short and sweet. And we're also going to unbox because I haven't even touched them, but obviously I know what I've ordered. So first brand that I want to talk about is SK-II. This is a premium brand when it comes to Japanese beauty, J-beauty. I had never heard of it. Apparently this has been around for a while and this is like chef's kiss. So let me just get my phone because I saw 6,243 reviews and they scored a 4.4 stars out of 5. That is truly insane. Some people said it was just life-changing. They don't want anything else anymore. It's a little bit more on the expensive side. So this trial kit is around $99, but apparently a little goes a long way, and don't panic, I do have discount codes obviously. But this is the SK-II, founded by a Japanese scientist, and he was amazed by how soft the hands were of sake or sake. In Dutch we say sake, but I don't know what it is, brewers. And so he was very inspired by that, and he took some fermented ingredients, organic ingredients out of yeast, and he made his own skincare line, and apparently it's just really amazing. And I love how that story started. Pitera is also one of the ingredients, amino acids, organic fermented ingredients, all the good stuff for even skin tone, better texture, for fine lines, anti-aging. Here I have the Skin Power Cream. As I said, it's a trial kit to see if I'm going to like it, and I will keep you updated. Facial treatment essence. I love using essences. They make a huge difference, especially when you have dehydrated skin. We have the facial treatment gentle cleanser. I think when something is really hyped and maybe a little bit more on the expensive side, like a premium brand, I think a trial kit is like amazing. I love that they're doing this. So before you make a huge investment into your skincare, you get to try out to see if it's worth it or not. And then I have a facial treatment mask. So I really want to try this all at once, but I still have a lot of skincare left. So I'm definitely going to save this and keep you guys updated because I'm really excited to use this. This is a brand that you will see a lot, definitely on TikTok. And I already used the rice toner. Ooh, it's almost empty, but it's so hydrating. And I think this is a trial kit that I got. This is I'm from Honey Mask Mugwort Essence. I didn't try that one yet, but saw amazing reviews. So here's a tip when it comes to the toner. So as I said, I use the rice toner. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So if you have like dehydrated skin or your skin feels a little, like especially when you use retinol, right? It can feel a little as if your skin pulls a little. And then I just use toner. Right, with my fingers, with my hands, I just press it into the skin and then I wait for a minute, then I do it again and I repeat that 3 times. And I saw that trick also on TikTok. Oh my God, that works so well. Your skin will feel so soft and so hydrated. So this is a great starter kit as well if you haven't used I'm From. But the rice toner, I can tell from experience that that is amazing. Okay, next we have this Royal Honey Propolis. I do take propolis, but like as in drops for my health. So I've never used a propolis product, to be honest, but look at how gorgeous this looks. It has 63 propolis extract, 63%. When you compare it to like, obviously not all the brands, but like more Western brands, we do have some extracts in it, but the percentages are so much higher in K-beauty. That makes me really trust how well it will work and what I get for my money, because I do feel like it's like pretty affordable. Maybe not everything, but it's pretty affordable in comparison to other brands that we spent so much money on with not even like the same percentages, if you know what I mean, when it comes to active ingredients and stuff. Okay, it looks like a serum, but it's actually an essence, so it comes before the serum. This is supposed to be such a good moisturizer, and it has only 12 ingredients in it. They're very transparent. You can just check out the ingredient list. And it looks very simple. It is very simple, and everyone just really loves it. Yeah, it says only 12 ingredients with pH 5.5, which is like the perfect acidic balance on your skin, in your skin. So if you are a K-beauty nerd, or you're Korean, please let me know if I picked the right products. I would really love to know. I also got the ginseng essence water. This is all over the internet as well. And especially this brand, this is Beauty of Joseon. But it's a very well-known brand in the K-beauty scene. From the same brand, I have this Revive serum, and it contains snail mucin and ginseng. And I also use the, did I order that? If you do a little bit of research, then you will 100% come across the snail mucin from COSRX. I still use that. It's almost empty as well, and I loved it. At first I was like, is it really doing anything? Because I'm just like, I don't know, I'm just putting it on my face and then I'm not really sure. But now, after a few times of not doing it on purpose, I can see what it does. It really hydrates the skin on another level. Like I feel like it goes very deep into the skin. At least that's how it feels like. And I also feel like the serum that I put on top works so much better for some reason. So I'm definitely going to continue using that. But this contains snail mucin as well, and ginseng. It's a little bit on the smaller side. I'm not sure how much you need to use, but it's like $12 for really, really good serum. And serum is usually the most expensive thing in a skincare line, so I feel like that kind of like justifies the size of the products. I actually exfoliate 2 times a week now. This is also from COSRX, the brand that I was talking about, and I love the packaging as well. So simple, and I just love it. Extract from apple, fruit water, kiwi. So I'm excited to use this one as well, but I'm not sure how much percent the acids are. Then I got this vegan kombucha tea essence from Dr. Suracol. Oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce that. But oh my lord, look at how weird that looks. This feels very luxurious. 32 euros. I don't think that's bad. Give skin a thorough detox with this vegan-friendly cream essence formulated with 78% kombucha tea extract to balance skin oil water levels, provide deep hydration, and strengthen the skin barrier. Get on my face. Again, another essence, but I have a lot of essence. And you can also combine essences. You know that? I also even combine serums. This is the Mugworth essence again from I'm From. So I'm really excited to see if I'm going to like this one more than the rice toner, because I haven't used this one yet. So everyone is talking about this cleanser as well. It was super affordable. You get a lot for the price. This is from COSRX, and this is the low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. First, you might want to go in with like an oil cleanser to get like everything, all the dirt off, even if you don't have any makeup on. And then obviously you need to cleanse the face again because you want to get rid of the oils. So you need a water-based, very gentle, mild cleanser. And yeah, everyone seems to love this one. Simple, does the job, and it's just good. I can't remember ordering this one, so I'm not even sure what this is. I remember why I got this, because this was all about skin tone, and as I mentioned earlier, my face can look really gray and dull. So I was very excited to try this one because everyone said like, oh, it really helps me with my skin tone and it looked so even. So I'm getting really excited. Once I'm finished with my snail mucin, I'm definitely going to give this a try because very, very excited for this. I got the rice cream as well because I like the toner so much. So it only made sense to get this one. Finally, a moisturizer because everything else is an essence. I got 2 of the Soon Young moisturizers. Like, this is so affordable, and everyone's like, oh my god, it's so affordable and so good. People swear that this helps with everything. This is apparently the best moisturizer out there. It says it's pure and mild. It's a barrier intensive cream. So I hope that this is as thick as butter. Especially in my nighttime routine, the moisturizer, it needs to be thick. Like, I cannot go to bed with like a jelly texture moisturizer. There is no fragrance, no artificial colors, no parabens, and it helps pamper and nourish the skin to strengthen it against damage and stress. I also got myself a ginseng cleansing oil, also from Beauty of Joseon. So for example, this will go first and then this one will go second because this is water-based. I actually got something for my husband because even though he really likes skincare and he's just like, at the end of the day, it's a guy and he really wants to have all-in-one solution things. Africa Bird all-in-one for men moisturizer, and I thought the packaging looked so amazing. So they have men skincare as well. He actually uses another K-beauty brand right now as well. Can't remember the name, but he really likes it. And he was like, could you get me like an all-in-one thing again? And I was like, yeah, of course. So Africa Bird for men. Not sure if he's going to like it. I was actually pretty surprised to see this one because I know that K-beauty is not really focusing on a lot of acids, a lot of retinol, exfoliation, stuff like that. Everything is very mild and very nourishing and caring and, you know, like hydrating. So when I saw retinol, and I'm really into retinol. At first I was too enthusiastic with retinol. I really needed to build my way up there. Now I use it like 4 times a week, I'd say. I don't know if that's too much, but I just love using it 4 times, 3 to 4 times. Retinol obviously stimulates collagen and it gets rid of dark circles, because it makes your skin thicker. I do use my normal retinol on my face and then a little bit on like in the eye area as well. This is a retinol eye cream and I think that's genius. I'm new to retinol, by the way, so don't come for me. This is not really like me, but I only got 2 makeup products because I was just like very focused on skincare. I got these lip tints from Romand. This one is what I'm wearing right now, so they look very dark. I actually made the mistake before to buy nude colors because I was like, that's just more my thing. But you have to understand that they look very light once you apply them, and they're very, like, I just love how it feels. That it feels like you have nothing on your lip and it stays. It's so long lasting and it's also pretty affordable. I think like $10 or something. The colors that I have is Rose Splash and Vintage Ocean, which I'm wearing right now on my lips, and I love it. Next time I will definitely pick more makeup because the last time I was very surprised and very intrigued as well. 3 more products. For the first time I got hair products. Blend of 7 types of essential oils. I am experiencing a lot of hair falling out. My hair is getting very thin at this point, like it's not even fun anymore. I tried everything, supplements, oiling my hair, anything, but I believe it's like maybe like stress related, even though I don't experience stress right now. But apparently if you have experienced stress, even though it's like maybe like 6 to 8 months ago, you can see the result of that now with your hair falling out. Blew my mind. Made entirely from natural derived ingredients such as silk protein, avocado oil, non-greasy hair oil, targets frizzy, dry, damaged hair, leaving locks smoother and glossier. Okay, you need to use this on towel dried hair and not on your scalp. It looks very lightweight, which I love when it comes to an oil that you can actually apply every day on your hair. Okay, another thing that I got because of my hair falling out is this Camino Moto. And I know that people are gatekeeping this brand, and I'm here to tell you that apparently this is really good. And it says it fights thinning hair, lots of vitamins, but I'm not sure like how to use it. I do need to do my research on this. I love the bottle. Hello. It's actually very watery and I don't know why, but I thought it would be oily. Application: sprinkle a generous amount of Camino Moto Super Strength Hair Serum onto scalp twice a day. Massage it with fingertips to work in the solution. Treatment should be applied more generously before bedtime to work with scalp's natural nourishing properties while you sleep. But I'm curious if it's going to be too oily, just too, I don't know. I'm going to try this. If it's going to help, wow, I will definitely let you guys know. I need to have my hair back, okay? So if it works, I will 100% let you know. And then the last product that I got is, oh, it's also from Camino Moto, and this is Trigger Hair Growth. I hope this has like an instruction thing on the inside as well. Thinning hair, promotion of hair growth, loss of hair after illness or childbirth, preventing of falling hair, hair nutrition, dandruff, and itching. Apply a proper amount on the scalp, massage well with fingertips. Okay, so it's really sure what the difference is. I think this is for thinning hair, and I think this is for hair falling out. I need both. I feel like I talked a lot. This is my haul, and I am so excited to try all of these products. I can do these types of videos like every month and show you guys how my K-beauty obsession is evolving. If I think the products are worth the hype, I'm going to try a lot more. I've been getting like so much skincare right now, but I really want to focus on K-beauty as well. And obviously just vary here and there, but just next time I will definitely pick up more makeup products and then also update you guys on the skincare products that or the hair products that I've used. So I really tried my best to come up with the best K-beauty products out there, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to dive into KJ beauty, makeup, skincare, one of these products, whatever, you can go to yesstyle.com. You can always use deal on 10 on anything that you want to order. It is valid till the end of May, and you get 10% off of everything above 49 euros. If you spend 79 euros or more, you'll get 15% off with YS Premium 15. Let me know if you guys tried any of these products. I would love to know. If you have a product that you're very interested in that you want me to give you an update on, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.